Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your stream shelf type on the Twitch website, meaning that it will display other channels who you recommend to your viewers. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on channel, then scroll down until you can find the customize channel button on the right side. So tap on it, you will be directed to your creator dashboard where you need to select channel. Then tap on featured content at the top of the screen, which is the fourth section, and here you should scroll down to the bottom to the My Streamer Shelf section, and here you can select from three types: suggested channels, team members, or none. So tap on the relevant one and then click on the save button down below to edit your streamer shelf display option. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.